Our community faces critical needs during times of disasters. Who will answer the call to help the most vulnerable special populations? Our elderly, disabled, and special needs residents need the support of the entire community. Local, state, and federal governments have limited resources. The means to respond to every unmet need in the wake of a disaster is virtually impossible without community support. The Office of Emergency Management attempts to bridge the gap by building relationships with faith-based, nonprofit, and private sector partners. Together, we become more resilient to disasters. The first critical step is preparation. Do you know how your organization will respond? What are the strengths and resources your organization can provide? We've broken the areas of opportunity down to a few categories. The first is building construction. Helping individuals tarp their homes is a common unmet need. Repairing and protecting homes from further damage can also fall into this category. Another area of great need is land clearing. Helping individuals with disabilities to clear yards and pathways is a high priority. Throughout a disaster, shelter support teams can provide registration, dormitory, and food support to evacuees inside emergency shelters. Our clothing and food pantries help families obtain necessary goods before disasters and give them a place to gather essentials during disaster recovery. We rely on our partner organizations to help sort, prepare, and deliver donated items. Specialized volunteer opportunities such as counseling and medical support are extremely important. Skilled volunteers can provide support inside the emergency shelters and in the community. Our neighbors who have lost their homes and have no resources to obtain food can visit community kitchens where volunteers prepare meals. Mobile canteens can also help deliver supplies to those who have lost their food or who are unable to get food. Finally, providing emotional and spiritual help through prayer teams is a critical component in preparation and the recovery process. Our people are our greatest assets. Each organization should review the list of opportunities and prayerfully consider where your group may support the community after a disaster. In many cases, there may be training available through your local emergency management office, which can bolster your ability to help. Also consider your buildings as a resource. Many faith-based and nonprofit organizations have facilities which are very useful after a disaster. These include senior citizen daycares, recovery shelters, food pantries, kitchens, and shower facilities, among other uses. If your organization is willing to support the community in this manner, please contact your local emergency management office. Inside your organization, you can also do things to help each other. We have seen a great number of successes through these helpful programs. An example of these programs includes the Adopt a Senior program, where families inside an organization adopt seniors who live alone and do not have a place to go during a disaster. Groups have held disaster kit days, where congregations come together to help each other build disaster kits. Offering transportation assistance to those who may have a need to evacuate or just need help getting to a shelter or picking up medications or food is another way organizations can help each other. Preparedness presentations or fairs allow members of emergency management to help your congregation with their preparedness plans. Contact your emergency management office if you would like a presentation. Visit prepareseminole.org for helpful information on how to prepare and recover. Also, you can call 407-665-5102. Thank you for your role in building a more resilient community.